The SW200DL Monocular Microscope offers a versatile magnification range from 40 times to 1,000 times, making it ideal for various educational and hobbyist applications. Equipped with a dual illumination system, this microscope allows for detailed observation of both transparent and opaque specimens, ensuring a comprehensive learning experience. Its robust construction, featuring a metal arm and base, combined with a convenient carrying handle, makes it a durable and portable choice for field experiments. With its cordless capability, the SW200DL is perfect for use in environments where traditional power sources may not be available, enhancing its practicality for outdoor explorations. Designed with beginners and students in mind, this microscope is an excellent tool for science fairs, home experiments, and school laboratories. The fully rotatable monocular head facilitates easy sharing and instruction, making it a valuable addition to any classroom setting.